This meeting is being recorded.
Hi, I'm Bonnie, and now this is the lab 2 of question 1. So now I'm going to start to debug it. So first we need to rebuild it. So as you can see, it's 1 succeed and 0 fail. Then we start to debug it with step over. So as you can see, we have memory, autos, watch, register, and also the assembly windows. And it's our main code, and I will start to debug it. So first, as you can see, the word with the var1 with 1, declare with 1, and var2 declare with 9 with word size. Okay, so for the line 1, move variable 1 into AX, which means that variable 1 carrying 1, and we move 1 into AX. And also, as you can see now, AX has become 1. Our AX 1, 1. So this one I change to 1. This one is the variable 1, and this one is the variable 2. Okay, so next we execute again. So now we move variable 2, which has 9, into the BX. So BX now has become 9. 9. So you see BX here, so I had 9. So we execute again. So we exchange the AX and BX. We exchange them. So initially, AX is 1. AX is variable 1. Now it has become 9 because we changed with the BX. So BX initially is 9. So now it's changed if it has become 1. Here, as you can see, it has changed already. Then we execute again. So we move AX into the variable 1. AX just now is 9, right? So variable 1 initially is carrying 1. So now it has become 9. It has become 9. So then we execute again. We move BX into variable 2. So variable 2 now is 1. BX into variable 2. As you can see, it's changed already. Changed become 1. Then we execute again. So we call the register, and then that's all for the lab 2 question 1.
This meeting is being recorded.
So this is lab 2 question 3, and now I'm going to start to debugging it. So first we need to rebuild it. So after rebuilding, it shows that 1 succeed and 0 fail. We start to debug it with step over. So there's memory, autos, watch, register, assembly again. And now, as you can see, is the data segment, and we have variable 1, 2, 3, and 4, which means that variable 1 with the words initialized with 5. This one is decimal. Variable 2 is 10 decimal. Variable 3 is 20 decimal, and variable 4 is we didn't give you a value first. Yeah, we just declare a variable 4. Now I'm going to start to execute the code. So as you can see, the initial one. Okay, so as you can see, the variable 1 is 5, and this one is the word size. Is 0A is variable 2, 10. 10 is in decimal, while A is in the hexadecimal. And the 14, this one 14 is the variable 3, which means 20 is decimal, but after convert in hexadecimal is 40. Okay, so now we execute it. So after execute, we move the variable 1 into the EAX. Variable 1 is 5, right? And so we move the EAX. As you can see, variable 1, 5, and now the EAX also become 5. 5, EAX become 5. There was a change already in the register. And now we execute again. So after execute is variable 2 multiple. Mul is multiple. Variable 2 multiple with the EAX things before it. So as you can see, now EAX is 32. So variable 2 is just now is 10, right? And variable 2, the integer inside is 5. So 5 times 10 is 50 in decimal. But after convert to the hexadecimal, then it will become 32. 32 in hexadecimal. So now we execute again. Now we add the variable 3 into EAX. So variable 3 is 14. Then we add to the EAX. So now EAX has become 46. The change already in the register. So next one, execute again, is decrease deck EAX, which means that decrease 1 in EAX. So now EAX is 46. Now 46, right? So now it has become 45. The EAX has reduced 1. In the register, EAX has become 45. Then we execute again. We will execute the exit, and that's all how the code run. Thank you.
This meeting is being recorded.
So it's the lab 2 of question 5, and the question stated that it has given me the code part, and I need to add the others part to let the code run. So I have added the include event 32 here, and also the data segment will be empty because we just need to move the value inside the register, so we don't need to declare anything. So this one, I've added the call dumrex, which means that call the register and as it. Okay, so now I'll start to build it. So after rebuilding, one succeed and 0 fail. So now I try to debug. As you can see, I've called the register up. It's the final value of them. So now I'll start to debugging with step by step. So same again. So let's execute it. So for the first line, clear the dx, which means we move the 0 into the dx. Now as you can see, dx is 0. dx is now is 0 value, 0. So after we execute it, we move the 1000 hexadecimal into the AX. So now AX has become 1000. AX 1000 here. EAX inside register 1000. So execute again. So we move the 25 hexadecimal into the CX. We put 35 hexadecimal into CX. So now CX has become 25. CX 25. You see ECX register 25 is here. So then we execute again. Mul CX, which means that we multiply AX by CX, and then we store the result in the AX first, then followed by DX. So AX times CX is 25,000. 25,000. But when we see the AX, we just store 5,000 only because AX is just can store 2 byte, so 1 byte, 2 byte. The 25,002 is at the third byte. So the third byte, the 2 will save in the DX. As you can see, AX here, 5,000, EX is 2 only. So now the EX register storing the 5,000 in the 2 byte here, and then the another byte is not enough for X register. So 2 will be stored at the EDX, the 2 here. So we execute again. So we call the register. Then that's all for the question 5. Thank you.